Atlas Schindler Smart. So every day I find one of these. Opa. Puxa, tá. Ah, certo. And here it is. We have an Atlas Schindler Smart. Let's see the highest floor. Oh, that's a nice motor we got there. And there's the outside. Let's see if it goes out. 0. No, 0 doesn't work. Let's see if I close the door. Alarm, phone, that's the capacity. Oh, just hear this. Oh, funny that has a VF drive. Oh, here's the serial number 131567. That's sweet. Which year it's from? Yeah, it has a LED tube light here. Yeah, here it is. Pretty plain cab, but it's very interesting. And it, leather, fake leather handle. It's actually plastic. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice elevator. Maintained by Atlas Schindler. Here's the old Atlas Schindler logo. Maintenance. And up here, I don't know what is this thing. I really don't know. Here's the paper, there's for bedding. Here's a little ceiling. And there we go with the cab. Huh, awesome motor. And it even has that Soviet leveling, which I call so many Soviet. It has the door. Oh, very good. Yeah, the paper has no fan. Oh, at least this one beeps.